Hey guys, let's talk about the SQ11 Mini DV Camera motion detection. So basically how you can enable the motion detection on the SQ11. It's pretty simple. Here I have the operation manual, right? And there's the instruction here that you need just to press and hold this M button. Let me just show how it works. So just make sure that you have the SD card here, just like I have it. And then you just turn on your camera, just press this button here, the power button to turn it on. You see that now it's on. And now I just need to press and hold the M button and wait for the LED to flash here and it starts recording. You see that after I press it, it goes away. So it turns off, but it's recording. Okay, let me just press here. See, I'm holding it and just observe the LED here that's blinking. And now it goes away. Okay. That's because you can have your camera without any LED and the camera is recording, and then the camera stays like recording without showing that's recording, right? But it is recording. Let me just move my hand here in front of the camera so we can check later that's detecting the motion. Just grab this paper here, put in front of the camera, move close and away from the camera. Then you can check later on the computer that's recorded. All right, that's enough. Now I'm gonna press here to turn off the camera. Press and hold. Wait for the LED to flash and turn the camera off. There we go. Now it's off and I can remove the card. You can use a tool here or your fingernails. You just need to pull it away. There we go. So I have my 32 gigabytes SD card. And I'm going to insert this into my computer, okay? So you need to use a computer with an adapter, which I have here. And I'm going to insert to my computer, put into an adapter, and put here my computer, and wait for it to pop up on the screen. There we go. Here I have the card. I double click on it, and I see here a folder with photos and video. Let me just double click here on video, and I have one recording. Here's the time. So that's the one that I'm looking for. Let me just double click. You see that I have video here. There's also audio. Let me just mute the audio here and play the video. So that's the one that I was testing with motion detection. You can see by the time. You see that was shaking the camera a little bit, so it's working. Then after that, I just put my hand in front of the camera. Let's see if we catch that. There we go. So you see the camera starts immediately working with the motion detection. There we go, the testing that I was doing before. So it's working pretty fine, okay? So pretty simple, back here to the camera. That's the way you can enable motion detection on your SQ11 Mini DV camera. So it's pretty simple, okay? I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel, leave a thumbs up in your comments, and I see you in the next one.